Alan Manzano, Leonardo Layosa, Zen Manansala. Fourth referee is Sev Pingol in Nueva Ecija. Starts off the ball game going up against Hesed Gabo. Manalang's free is good. Right off the bat, Rizal striking first.
And how
Vic Manuel, right now he's in front against Mike Mabulak. Camson will post up Mike. 3 seconds left. Fading away. Eric Camson scores.
And you see Coach Jerson Cabiltes earlier na talagang kailangan, he's got to get going. Pero hirap din if you're Aline. Alam mong markman ka. Nice pass by Hesed Gabo.
Maguliano from downtown and Pangasinan off to a strong start.
Shuffle. Flex action though.
Di Gregorio stepping back.
All right.
And swishes in that jumper.
And you love that Mike is actually getting involved there.
Will not force it up. Balagtas is free for a free bucket. Marco Balagtas on that one-hander. Gabo skip pass to Bulanadi, who's been aggressive looking for a shot. Why not? A three-pointer from Aline Bulanadi. Careless mistake from Philip Manalang. What
nice
a pass. Another good pass leads to a basket by JP Maguliano.
Can't help. And JP on a good receive and a good take.
The ball falls down on the floor. There's a switch. Cañete attacks and lays it in. What a nifty move from Iron Mike.
One of the I do feel come the playoffs, he is going to be a crucial rotation piece para dito kay Coach Ralph.
Ni Rolyo pataas doon ni Mike Mabulak. Camson, nice extra pass. Free for a free. Alwell Nalday scores.
You see everybody got focused.
Samboy De Leon missing a bunny. Alday, Mintes, De Leon, sablay pa din, tatakbo sa kabila. Ang Pangasinan, Aline Bulanadi using his offhand for the basket.
So far, good quarter start.
Tapik pagya ni Naive, na kay Lawrence Victoria pa rin. Now it's with Vic Manuel who hits a free top of the key.
That's where he's made most of
the team. Sabi niya, I have to bring them back to the right focus. Being a champion coach that he is, he believes everything starts with the right mindset. Back to you guys.
Fontanilla spins.
Wow.
Wraparound pass to Jory Napoles. Outside jumper is good.
Impressive pass. That steady stream of successive good offensive sets on their end of the floor. Voila, another basket right there by Jory Napoles. Same side of the floor. Might be
the muscle man at the post.
Oh,
Manuel,
no.
Surgical in this approach, able to lay it in.
Ang
so, alam mong hindi rin naatras.
Correct.
Aline Bulanadi sets his feet, fires, and cashes in from the right corner. It's now a 12-point lead for Pangasinan. He got lost in that screen. Behind the back, Alday flips it up and in, getting the friendly bounce.
And si Alvin Alday talagang naghahanap rin niya ng momentum para sa kanya.
Can't hit the jumper. 5-on-4 fast break. Alday manages to slam on the brakes and score.
3. And then on the weak side, Aline Bulanadi's been holding it.
Ian Melencio.
Wow!
Almost, but there for the stick back, flexing his muscles, was Lervin Flores. Maguliano gives it up to Ian Melencio on the right side. Two-man game between him and Maguliano, flashing to the middle.
Oh, man.
The impact by Lervin Flores here in the closing minutes. Penalty na ang Pangasinan. Camson, muntik na mawala sa kanya yung bola. Caballero, pumasok sa loob. Forcing it up and in.
Wow. Lervin Flores and including si Jory Napoles. Those guys were big.
Bulanadi starts off the third with Jory Napoles, Vic Manuel, Hesed Gabo, Aline Bulanadi, and King Gortiza. And he loves that spot. Even nag-change courts na tayo. Manalang speeds it up. Got blocked by Aline. Bulanadi to Vic Manuel. The one-handed shot is good.
They got to call a timeout now. You got to applications to it.
Oo.
You know? Oh, another steal.
Bulanadi to a cutting King Gortiza with a sidestep beauty. Sablay galing sa labas. Offensive rebound by Rizal. Camson relocates for free.
Yeah,
it's good.
Big. And that's big. Because one, you left Eric Camson.
Bounce pass of Gabo going to Vic Manuel. Sidestep. Gets the basket. At lutungo pa siya sa free throw line for a bonus free throw after getting fouled.
One of their best cohesive games together on the floor. When you talk of the Heat Wave, it's gotta be a foul right there.
Caballero drains a free, much needed one. Camson with his 12th rebound. Gives it up to Robbie Naive. Nice pass, attracting the defense, setting up Mike Cañete for the deuce.
Oh, yan yung mga kailangan gawin ng Rizal. Now,
apat. Gabo whips a pass to Vic Manuel, stepping back, firing a three. Pretty much automatic from that distance. 14 points for the muscle man.
Right there by Samboy.
Cañete almost lost it, recovers. Samboy De Leon, he was the one who got the block. And on the other side, getting the layup. In front is Samboy. They love to go at that post on the right side. Skip pass, Victoria launches. Pocket from Frey.
Now Leon.
Pagsanhan, lobs it inside. Flores with a deuce.
Again, but they gotta be very strong to start the fourth quarter to try and steal the momentum away from the Heat Waves. Nice pass.
The thing is, Pangasinan is just executing beautifully on both sides of the bola na agaw ni Samboy De Leon. Still has time. Derecho, Samboy forcing it up. No, the tip-in is good to beat the buzzer for Jeric Serrano.
Magkumpare pala ang dalawang yan. Ninong pala si Vic ng panganay nitong si Eric. Kwento ni Eric, since college pa kaming magkatapatan yan, pero imbes na maging magkaribal, mas naging close pa kami. Aside from reuniting with his kumpare today.
Birthday and is now feeling so much better. And always good to hear news like that.
At magkumpare pala silang dalawa ni Marcelman.
Mike De Gregorio though continues to knock down shots from the outside.
De Leon goes inside the paint. He gets it back, got blocked by Flores. Cañete there, carving out space and scoring for the Golden Coolers. Flores, pumersa sa ilalim, wala, mabulak with a stick back. It's Eric Camson. Vic, kili-kili shot, galing kay Muscleman.
Patuloy pa rin talagang gumagawa.
3-point shot. It will bounce out. Nobody boxing out. Jory Napoles. And Pangasinan just playing with much. Did not force it up though. Manalang. The spin. The escape. The nifty finish by Philip Manalang. Clearing out. Camson in front of him. Poposte si Vic Manuel. PB hit. Matik yan. Galing kay Muscleman. 2 more points for a total of 18. Plenty of time for Bulanadi to launch that one, but can't hit it. Naive loves it up. Cañete. Alley-oop play converted by the former Arellano Chief.
Kaya kailangan maging intentional pa rin sila dito sa execution nila, hindi yung ubos oras lang.
Gabon though, able to get past the defense of Samboy De Leon, who was asking for help. 24 seconds remaining. Samboy De Leon, derecho, lays it in. De Leon with 13 markers. Out, lock in rather, a spot in the playoffs.
Well, one, if you're Coach Jerson, you want to keep this really good game for them. You do understand na meron pang mga upside para dito sa Heat Waves, but
postponed, but it turned out to be really interesting because that Binyan Pasay game and that Pangasinan Caloocan match will have huge implications in both divisions, really.
And get the title, and you want to get the shortest path available, and that really is avoiding the play-in.
And And congratulations to the Pangasinan Heatwaves after that disappointing loss against the Mindoro Tamaraws.